moving pictures. Hello there, moving pictures.
What's up, Dad? I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl.
Good morning from Walt Disney World, more specifically the Riviera Resort. Today is Monday, January 26, 2026. Not fully awake yet. Had to come out on the balcony to feel the temperature at 73 so I could figure out what I was going to wear. This is actually the warmest it's going to be all day. So it looks like I'm going to be in long pants today. So the only reason we probably got this room, because it's so hard even with DVC points to get a room here, it's probably because right there's the Skyliner and it's under refurbishment. And the Skyliner is a pretty big perk to stay in at the Riviera, and we don't have that perk. So that, like I said, that is probably the only reason we found an opening, because if this isn't your home resort, it's hard to get rooms here. We are at the Riviera quick service, and Tom got their blueberry and lemon pancakes with bacon. I got a kids meal, spinach and tomato egg white bite with plant-based sausage and a cutie. So tonight is the 2003 version of Freaky Friday, movie on the lawn. Is that oh my god, that's a salt and pepper shaker set. I like it. And let me get a closer look at the mug there. Oh, that's a cool mug. Oh, this is a Disney Vacation Club mug. I like this. And I'm doing mugs. He's doing shirts. And this tall mug is $24.99. And they also have this mug.
Spend money on.
Look, hon, a Disney Vacation Club member t-shirt. $36.99. We have some Disney Vacation Club member jogger pants. I like the almost like the stone wash or whitewash, not whitewash, but of this hoodie.
Good morning. Just finished breakfast at whatever the quick service is here at Riviera. I had the lemon blueberry pancakes, gently flavorful. Pancakes very nicely done. A little bit of syrup, lots of butter, and good bacon. I'd do that again.
Listen to all the crunching of the ice. Wow, that is the thickness of the ice. There, kind of hard to see, but this is also how much ice is at home. Look at that. Okay, this one you can really, I mean, that's just grass. It looks like artwork. The resort Skyliner's looking a little different, guys. It's 11:30 a.m. and our bus is here.
Why is the
Toy Story bus going to Animal Kingdom.
I don't know.
Duck bus going to Hollywood Studios.
I don't know. Alright, here's your little tip. If it's chilly outside and you want a little warm, sit in the seats that we're sitting in and you have butt warmers.
Why would you tell people about this?
It's like,
There goes our seats. Now everyone's going to take them. So we arrived at the Animal Kingdom bus shelter area with 2 other groups at the same time. When the bus got here, we were the only ones that got on the bus. Where were the other people going?
Disney Springs.
Oh, is that at that one too?
Yeah.
They were going to Disney Springs, and that's why they didn't get on the bus. So, the Donald Duck bus pulls up at the Hollywood Studios thing right next to us. When our bus pulls up, it's got Toy Story branding all over it. And we're going to Animal Kingdom. Don't you think they got that little backwards?
do you follow me on Instagram? It is 66 degrees. The temperature is steadily dropping from this morning. 72 this morning, was it?
73.
Yeah.
I don't mind.
You need to stop overstepping for nature.
Yeah, you know, that'd be a great.
It's actually been a while since we've seen Devine. Ah, they're gonna do a selfie. Oh, that's sweet. She's gonna come right up on her. That's so sweet. That's amazing.
Thank you.
Very sweet. Oh my gosh, you are so pretty. And then that huge fish down there. And another little cute duck over here. Just living the life. There's a lot of fish down there. Well, that's just a different kind of look. All the parks represented. Oh, that's a whole new line. What do y'all think? They even have... Oh, that's thick. Vacation Kingdom of the World. Oh, you can hold your ears in this. You see that right there? This will snap your headband ears in if you don't want to wear them. The new most magical place on earth 2026 line. Loving the retro look to this. Look, here you leave today, enter the world of yesterday, tomorrow, and fantasy. Love this look. And now they have charms that hold your ears if they start to hurt your head, or it gets too windy, or you're on a ride. Oh, I need this. I need this because it has Chip and Dale in their dinosaur outfit. Oh my, I really need this. So do you recognize this? This is the identification chart that is on the vehicles for Kilimanjaro safaris. And then They've had this a while, but it's so stinking adorable.
That's how we say thanks for doing that behavior, and it reinforces it so they do it again and again in the future. Pretty cool stuff. We love working with these birds. We love sharing them with all of you every day, but we also like to go home without them. And you can probably already imagine why. You heard how loud they were screaming when they flew into Discovery Island, and you might see how sharp their beaks are right now. They are super loud, messy, and destructive animals. Because we've done something pretty cool here at Winged Encounters. We've actually teamed up with an organization that's called the World Parrot Trust. Macaws that we can release back out into the wild to help drive up those numbers so that we can save the blue-throated macaw, birds just like Gaston and Buzz here, and skies that are filled with macaws for generations to come. Skies that look just like this.
Oh my god, I get chills. Oh, I get chills. Woohoo! Right over my head. Oh, it's amazing. Woo! Right over my head.
Pretty incredible, right? So, thanks so much for joining us here for the last Winged Encounters of the day. How long they're back?
Did you go? That was so lucky to find out.
I don't know my phone.
They're like, we are not ready to go. We're just gonna hang out here.
Hold on, this tree is
This is the first time I've realized that there was a buffalo right there. The Zootopia sign's so bright and welcoming. All right, this is what replaced A Bug's Life, and we're gonna head on in. I'm in here, so we're checking out like all the little changes that they've made to the queue or the holding area. Oh my gosh, look at the miniature door and the big trash can. And around here it's not Pandora, it's Pandora. On the light fixtures, they've added the characters. Look. So, just so you know, when the theater's full, you have to go all the way across. You can't stop in the middle. See a little water dripping right here, part of the special effects. So they call these carrot glasses. So what did you think?
It was a cute little show, you know.
We're a little wet.
You.
Oh my. At first we were all like, oh, that's so sweet. He's giving him a hug. Not quite.
I'm loving it. Everyone's reacting. Everyone's like, oh.
Like, oh, that's so sweet, a hug. And then it's like, oh, wait. What is going on there? What is that one doing? What is that one having convulsions? What is going on?
Yeah. I've been all